Okay, so we're gonna kind of show you a little bit of this like Hua the Hacksaw Long Chao Kok. There's a coastal trail right there, which is amazing, and we're gonna show you a lot more detail all about it in a minute. There's also a beach over there too. So let's come back. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's just kind of walk towards the beach first, and I think later we're gonna be able to kind of want to show you these old housing soon, but I want to show a couple different things first before I do. So let's just kind of come back over this way. So there's this whole trail over this way, and it has some beautiful chairs and all these old houses, colonial houses that go all the way down. And we're going to try to capture some of those, but I also want to show you like this trail, which we're going to do separately. And there's also this beach right here, Haksa Beach. Haksa Beach goes from there all the way down to the hotel. So it's at least a few kilometers long, and it's basically swimming, stuff like that. All your beach activities. And this road is something that we're going to focus on, but I might focus on another one. But you can see all these colonial houses, and I kind of want to go behind it for a minute. Because I think what I'm going to do is just kind of give you some context of how this road fits into other things. So for one, there's the colonial houses. There's also kind of a back road that goes to them. And there's also a coastal trail over there. So I kind of want to show you all of them. So that's kind of the back side of these houses. The Hacksaw Long Chao Kok. So yeah, there's this other street. It's just like a one-way street too. I guess like kind of want to walk it, just kind of see what's here. I also kind of want to show you the coastal trail behind me too, but looks cool. Huh. Looks like this is all cleared up for something. Now that we got shade, you can see it more properly. Wow. These are all kind of the back gates. So yeah, I didn't realize you could go down this way. Yeah, you kind of got all these mansions. Huh. The front way has the it's also dogs. So it kind of keeps going all the way down. Definitely looks cool. Let's just kind of go back, because this is kind of the back side of these, which is pretty interesting. I didn't know this was here until now. Sometimes when you take a camera, you're a little bit more adventurous to kind of walk around and see things. I think most of these do have dogs, and if you park on the other side at nighttime, and there's a bunch of benches you can sit on, you know, the police come up and down all the time. So whatever these are worth, they're probably worth quite a bit, and they probably are well protected. So I'm hearing lots of dogs suddenly, but it makes sense because each of this has kind of a large property, right? So what we're gonna do is I kind of want to show you where the trail is at too. So what I'm gonna do, so yeah, each of these has places to park and kind of cool stuff everywhere. And we're gonna show you the coastal part too, just to kind of give you all the context of everything. Probably do a different street right here where we'll focus and go all the way down on that one. So this is the main one. So all these houses, they have that back road, and they also have this front road. But all this is public parking and everything like that. So and I guess that makes sense. They must go around back and park over there. So we're gonna try to do next is show you that coastal trail a little bit. chair just sitting there. It's kind of cool. And I just want to show you the beginning part so you can kind of see the context of everything and how it fits together. Long Chao Kok da Haksa. Looks like they're building something different here. And then when you get up here, you have sort of coastal trail. So this is kind of the corner of how it all fits together a little bit based on that little thing. So what I'm going to do is go up a little bit more, put things in context a little bit. Then I'll probably do a separate video where I just walk down that main road. So it's the entrance to this coastal trail. And then, yeah, the coastal trail is pretty cool. So you got all these giant rocks, and you got this view, people fishing, and that trail goes down quite a ways. So and it's like right out here, a lot of people will sit for pictures. Amazing. And we're gonna go a little further before we end this one. So yeah, this is the coastal trail. We're gonna end it kind of in this spot right there. So yeah, you can just keep following that all the way down. It goes down a couple of kilometers probably. And yeah, it keeps going all the way down. So okay, hope you like that one. So I'm probably gonna go back and do another video where I go to the original one again. Then we're gonna walk down that main street a little bit. So let's just kind of check all this out. Okay, so that's basically the origin of where we started. And we're gonna end this in a minute. So this is called a coastal trail. So, okay, we're gonna label it as that street. Okay, this is the backside. So this is the what it looks like from here. So you can see this is Haksa Beach. So the other videos I was doing were all over there on that coastal trail over there on the edge. Then you can see all the housing that were all along here on the coastal trail. And then this is Haksa Beach, so it's quite busy all the way around in here. So here we are on the other side. This is Haksa Beach, so you can see all the people. And we're just gonna zoom in. So over there is all those housing. So we were over there. And that little trail has all these houses all the way down. Then that's the coastal trail that goes around there. So let's see if we can zoom in further. Nope, as much as we can zoom in. So let's kind of put this back in context. So yeah, we were basically all over there. Now you get an idea. So okay.